We are here for the NASCAR Downhill Racing Series Season 2 premiere. And yes, I do know this is going up against the Super Bowl, and it is for two reasons. One, I thought my schedule, first of all, I thought my schedule would have lined up so I could record this earlier in the day, but it didn't, and things came up, and yeah, so now here we are. Also, I thought the Super Bowl was going to be next Sunday, not going to lie. Because I remember it being planned on the day of a NASCAR race, and I thought it was going to be the Daytona 500, and I was kind of mad because I was like, oh man, they're just going to steal all the audience that the 500 has. And yeah, apparently it is this Sunday. Apparently it's today or tonight. So yeah, I don't expect this to get many views right away, but if it does and you're watching this, it's hopefully halftime still. Probably not. But yeah, I don't expect this to do well. But I did want it to premiere on the Sunday, and that's the important thing. So yeah, with that out of the way, we're going to do the first 20 cars. Now this time it wasn't just random as the furnace kicks on. That's why it will probably be a little bit louder. Yeah, this time it's odd numbers. And I'm hoping I did not get any mixed up. I was sorting them out, and then I realized I had a few evens mixed in the odds. So I'm hoping I got these all right. And also, we did give Daniel Suarez a new paint scheme, so that because I don't know if that Subway car just has magical powers on it. Not that Subway car. That's Carl Edwards. But tomorrow we will, well, hopefully tomorrow, we will be doing the even side bracket. So, with all that out of the way, also we did no qualifying. It's all randomized here. So with that out of the way, let's get in to the premiere of Season 2. And we are going to start it off with Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Jamie McMurray. And also, for this season, we have switched lanes. It is now lane 1 and 2 instead of 3 and 4. Green flag out here. Stenhouse takes a good lead. He moves McMurray out of the way. He does flip over at the end in typical Ricky Stenhouse Jr. fashion. But he will win this one. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. takes a lead and he wrecks McMurray. Kind of just... He didn't even really wreck him, he just ran him out of room. And with that, he will almost eliminate Jamie McMurray, because remember, they do have a chance to come back. So we're going to put him over here. So who will McMurray go against? In that spot, it will either be the Dinger or Ty Dillon. Green flag out here, they're dead even side by side, and Ty Dillon is going to win race 1 over AJ Allmendinger. Here we go. Race number 2. Green flag out here. Ty Dillon. He moved. Okay, I cannot just... First of all, let me fix the track. Then let me describe what I just saw with my eyes. They were side by side off this corner. Allmendinger pretty much came to a stop right here. Ty Dillon's way ahead. Hits this, backs up, moves Allmendinger up the racetrack, and then just basically superpowers himself all the way to the middle of the straightaway. That was ridiculous. But Ty Dillon is going to win race 2 and get him to move on safely into the next round. Next up, Cole Witt and Denny Hamlin. Here we go. Green flag down here. Hamlin takes a big lead. Cole Witt just isn't going to have enough time to catch up. And Denny Hamlin will win race 1. There we go. With that kind of speed, Denny Hamlin's pretty much locked to win this one. Green flag out here. He takes a commanding lead over the 35. And Denny Hamlin is going to win race 2. Yeah, I said hopefully it's still halftime because, well... Let's just say I'm recording this about 45 minutes early. So, yeah. Anyway. Next up, we have Chris Buescher and Michael McDowell. Green flag out of here. McDowell hanging a couple of Chris Buescher just flipped over. And Chris Buescher just flipped over for no reason. What just happened? So, hold on, what? I don't understand that. What just happened? So Chris Buescher is just going down the track and he just flips over. Did half a backflip. I am so confused on what just happened, but Michael McDowell in the meantime wins race 1. Race 2 and Chris Buescher is gonna redeem himself there to Roush. Roush, I don't know if you're watching this. I'm pretty sure you don't even know what happened. What are the odds of Roush fan? What's the odds of Jack Roush watching this? There we go. I took him in the wrong lane. Green flag. Buescher waiting for it. He almost flips over again. That 17 car is unstable in lane run, but he still is going to hold him off to win and go against Ty Dillon in the next round. What in the world? He barely flipped over. Again, oh my goodness. Alright, next up, Bubba Wallace and Corey LaJoy. Green flag down here, LaJoy takes a big lead. Bubba Wallace comes in quick, but Corey LaJoy will win race 1. Seems like Bubba Wallace just doesn't get speed going downhill, but once he gets out to the great part of the track, he's never gotten to the green, so we don't really know. But whenever he gets to the great part of the track, he seems to pick up a lot of speed. Green flag down here, LaJoy's way out in front. Bubba Wallace just blew it into turn 1 to give Corey LaJoy another win to move on into the next round. Next up, NASCAR's most popular driver for, 3 years running, Chase Elliott versus Casey Kane. Green flag down here, Kane hanging tough, Elliott hanging tough, and he's going to make a pass in the final quarter to win race 1. Chase Elliott hanging on for dear life out here. Green flag down here, race 2, Elliott takes a huge lead, crashes, and he kind of uses that to block Casey Kane. And Casey Kane will be eliminated, semi-eliminated, and Chase Elliott is going to move on. Next up, we have Matt DiBenedetto and Paul Menard. Now, since they're both 21, we're going to go by who has the better stance, and since Paul Menard has more wins than Matt DiBenedetto right now, he's going to get lane 1 first. Green flag down here, Menard down in front. DiBenedetto kind of gets he got 2 wheels off of here and then came on. Just didn't have enough speed after that point to keep up with Paul Menard, who wins race 1. Race 2 is now Paul Menard way on the front, and Paul Menard is going to win race number 2 to move on to the next round. Next up, we have the defending champion, Daniel Suarez, versus, well, the first car eliminated. Oh boy, even with the new paint scheme, I think this isn't even going to be a contest. Martin Truex Jr., and since Truex has more wins than Suarez, I'm assuming it's like 30 or so to 0, we're going to give him lane 1 to start. Green flag out here, and yet again, it isn't even to challenge Suarez. Blazing fast in at 19. So you can see he even got loose off the corner, kind of did a skateboard grind right there. He still made it work out. Here we go. Suarez is going to take another big lead, and he's going to win race 2. So he will go up against Paul, or Matt DiBenedetto. Wow, let me fix the track real quick. Turn 1's kind of coming apart. There we go. Okay, 2 more races to go. Carl Edwards and Ryan Preece. Here they go. Green flag down here. Ryan Preece gets a good restart. He goes farther than Suarez. And again, Suarez did do a skateboard grind. But he is going to win race 1. Here we go, race 2. Edwards hanging in a little more tough this time, but Ryan Preece pretty much spins himself out to block Carl Edwards. And he will win yet again. To himself in. And now for the final matchup of episode 1 of season 2, Austin Dillon and Kurt Busch. Green flag out here, Kurt Busch takes the lead. Austin Dillon hanging tough, but it's not going to be enough to beat Kurt Busch. He will win race 1. There we go. Race 2, green flag. Austin Dillon takes the lead. Kurt Busch crashes, and Austin Dillon, I think, went a little bit further than Ryan Preece this time. So maybe Austin Dillon is the favorite. Who knows? With race 2 under his belt, we go to race 3. Green flag out here. Kurt Busch takes the lead. He crashes a little, but he blocks Austin Dillon as much as he can, and it prevails as Kurt Busch will win that race. So let's look at our matchup heading in to the next time these cars will race. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Denny Hamlin, Ty Dillon and Chris Buescher, Corey LaJoie and Paul Menard, Chase Elliott and the defending champion Daniel Suarez. Well, kind of, I don't know, we didn't really get any comments on that. Who won championship, so yeah, we're gonna say half champion Daniel Suarez, and then Ryan Preece and Kurt Busch. We'll see how they go up against these guys, who will go against each other in the 3rd episode for the odd division wild card round. And if you want to see maybe your favorite driver wasn't in that group, here are the races for the even conference. That's a division, I meant conference. Eric Jones and William Byron, Ryan Newman and Jeff Gordon, Alex Bowman and Brad Keselowski, Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Matt Kenseth, Kevin Harvick and Lanny Castle, Jimmy Johnson and Daniel Hemrick, Greg Biffle and that guy, Clint Boyer and Tony Stewart, Joey Logano and Jonathan Nemechek, Kyle Busch and Ryan Blaney. So that is going to be the end of episode 1. I wonder who's going to win the Super Bowl. I know this is probably going to get like 1 view and it's going to be me. Most likely. But, yeah, if you're watching this day, probably by the day after the Super Bowl, whoever won. But that's going to do it for today. If you're excited for the even conference first round, leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be it.